Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I cannot believe that I'm filming my November favorites. Like, I cannot believe that my Christmas tree is up, Thanksgiving is over, and I am here filming my November favorites. That's crazy to me. Next month, I'm gonna be filming my yearly favorites. Like, that is wild to me. I cannot believe that the year is like already over. I feel like it just started. But with that being said, I have a lot. And when I mean a lot, no, I don't mean that much. I mean, I have a lot. But you're probably like, what, bitch, what do you mean? No. I have a lot of stuff here that I really want to talk to you guys about. There's just one item in particular that I have a lot of, and you'll understand when I get to it. A lot of exciting goodies here. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this video. There's one thing about me, you guys know, obviously I love makeup, but one thing I love a little bit more than makeup is smelling good. So you will never catch me, even when I'm sick, not smelling good. I will put some type of lotion, some type of body spray, like I will shower, like I love scent so much. That's a good or a bad thing. Like some people may be like, oh, you're so annoying, but some people may be like, yeah, we love somebody who smells good. But nonetheless, if you're like me and you love to smell good, you're gonna absolutely love this video because I have so many goodies in here. So I quickly wanna start off with a new launch from Saltair. This is their newest scent, Driftwood. You guys, this is their body wash. This is their body butter. This scent is unreal. It smells absolutely incredible. I'm trying to see if there's any notes on here. Let me describe this to you as a scent that is perfect for the fall. It's a unisex scent. So if you, like, you can smell like it, your boyfriend can smell like it. Like, I love this scent. Oh my God, it is warm, it is cozy. It is masculine, but also has like a little bit of feminine to it. Like it's not something like if my boyfriend used this body wash, I'd be like, oh my God, you smell delicious. Like you smell like a man, you know what I mean? But then like when I use it, I love it too because it also gives me like a feminine vibe. I don't know if I'm making sense. I will have the notes for you guys like down below or I'll put them on the screen for you. But yeah, this scent, you guys, is absolutely incredible. Their body washes are super affordable and amazing. I think they're like $14 and you get how many ounces? You get 17 fluid ounces. So it's safe to say that this will last you a very long time. Another new launch, this one is from Saltair. Now this is a serum, or they're calling this a deodorant gel, but this is pretty much just might be a serum deodorant. Like it's, in my opinion, it's very similar to the Saltair one. As much as I do love the Saltair AHA deodorant, for some reason, when I wear it too often, my underarms have a severe reaction to it. So I have to be careful with the amount of times that I do use it. But this, you guys, I have been putting through the test for 2 weeks at this point because I just filmed a TikTok last week about this and I've been wearing it all this week. You guys, this is the brand new Saltair Mandelic Acid Brightening Gel. This is in their scent Naked Neroli, which by the way, is one of my favorite scents from them. Oh my God. Literally nothing in the world smells like this. It smells incredible. But this deodorant, you guys, first of all, we need to talk about this packaging. This is luxury. Like this is stunning. The formula is what I want to talk about because my underarms have not had a reaction to this. This is supposed to help keep odor away for 48 hours. You guys, my underarms have not stunk since I started using this. And let me just say one thing, it's not gonna help with antiperspirant. So if you're somebody that's really sweaty, it's not gonna help prevent you from sweating, but I can say it will help you, it will help prevent you from smelling, if that makes sense. Your girl over here, I'm definitely a sweatier girl. Like for some reason, my armpits, I think I have overactive sweat glands. I don't know what's going on underneath there, but I do sweat a lot and that's just, it is what it is. And even though I do sweat when I do use this, that doesn't really make sense. Like, oh, you sweat while you use this, yes, but I'm not like dripping. You know what I mean? Like sometimes my underarms will just get like a little moist and that's a me thing. If you're not a sweaty girl like me, you're gonna love this no matter what. Like even if you are a sweaty girl, non-sweaty girl, you are going to love this. So many benefits. So the mandelic acid in here is gonna help brighten up your under eyes. It's gonna help prevent any ingrown hairs. It's gonna help prevent any odor for 48 hours. This product, you guys, is absolutely incredible. I love it. And even though I do sweat a decent amount, I still will kind of sweat with this depending on what I'm doing, but my underarms will not stink, and that is a A++ for me. And also, it goes on clear. So if you want a deodorant that's gonna go on clear, you're gonna wanna pick this up because it is absolutely incredible, and this packaging alone is stunning. I figured we could just stick with Saltair since I just spoke about their deodorant. These perfume oils, you guys, let me say one thing. I got these when they first launched the beginning of this year, I'm pretty sure, because it was right before I moved out of my house. I put these into storage because I was like, there's no room for them in my apartment. Like, I really want them on display in my new house. So while my house was being renovated, these were in storage. You guys, let me tell you, I cannot stop using them. I have so many favorite scents. I'm gonna rapid fire this. Sacred Santal, one of their viral ones, amazing. Lover's Leather, literally I've never liked a leather perfume in my entire life, but this one, you guys, incredible. Smells just like leather, but in a sexy, like masculine way. Then you have Modern Patchouli. You guys, Modern Patchouli, oh my God. I have never, again, smelled a patchouli perfume until this one, and let me tell you, love it, lasts all day long. I will literally get whiffs of all of these throughout the day. Amazing. Another viral scent, Vanilla Verve. This one, you guys, if you are a vanilla girly, you are gonna wanna rise up because, oh my God, this one. I love vanilla, so I may have to say this is my favorite one. Smells incredible. And then we have the one that like literally made me fall in love with these, Flora Veil. If you are a floral girly, let me tell you, this, you guys, holy crap. Oh, it smells so frigging good. So these are rollerballs, and not everybody loves a rollerball perfume. I was very skeptical of them when I first got them. I was like, oh, okay, they're cute. I'll probably just throw them in my bag. Like, they probably won't last a long time. No. I could not have been more wrong. You guys, put them like here, put them like where your arm folds, put them behind your ears. I can almost guarantee you will smell these all day long. Like literally, I will put these on. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I like to smell good no matter what. So I will put these on in my pressure points here, behind my ears, and a little bit on my chest. And then I will, of course, use a regular perfume because that's just who I am. I just double up. And sometimes, I would say about 80% of the time, I'm smelling these over anything else that I put on that day. And I absolutely love these, you guys. They are amazing, and they are so tiny and convenient. And let me tell you, a little goes such a freaking long way. I love those, and I love pairing them. Let me show you, because I love pairing them with the Rare Beauty scent layering balms. Oh my God, if you want your scent to pop, these, number one, are absolutely incredible. I think I spoke about them in my favorites video for October or September, I forget. I do own every single one of the perfume oils from Saltair because I am on their PR list, but these are my top 5, like the ones that I'm reaching for all the time. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's still 6 over there. Also, Naked Neroli they have, which is amazing. That's actually over there too. All of them are absolutely incredible, and they're all unique. So not one of them smells like another one, if that makes sense. So you're not gonna get them, even if you, I think they sell the PR box, but even if you do get these and you get a few, I can guarantee you that all of them are different and unique, which I love. I love that they're like not in the same family, if that makes sense. I can't say enough good things about them. If you are a girl that loves to smell good, yeah, Saltair, you guys, they got you covered. Okay, now that I've completely bored you guys with all of my favorite ways that I like to smell good, now we can get into the makeup because I do have some products here that are pretty fire, so let's get into it. First product that shocked me. This is the One Size Boucle Silk. Can I tell you guys, I thought that said bounce this whole time. Like, I literally was watching a video and saw somebody say boucle or whatever it is, and I was like, wait, I said bounce in my video, and then I looked and I was like, that's what happens when you're like me and you don't read things like fully, if that makes sense. But anyways, this is a finishing powder. So it is a baked formula. So as you can see, it does have that sheen. I got shade light, which is actually too dark for me. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like, I'm a little two-toned right now. Like, it's a little, like you can see right here, it's a little too dark for me. I do need to go and get the fair version of it. But you guys, this is incredible. If you want to look porcelain, like look at my skin right now. Look at how perfect it looks. That, in my opinion, is credited to this powder. I think it's amazing. It gives a nice, beautiful sheen to the skin. Like, look at that glow. That glow, I'm not wearing highlighter. I don't really wear highlighter anymore. That glow is a mixture of my blush and this powder. It's amazing, you guys. Literally, you will be like, pores where? If you're a dry skin girly and you've never been able to use One Size products like me, because their On Till Dawn setting spray is it literally sucks the life out of my skin. Their foundation is okay, but their products are, in my opinion, are mainly geared towards oily skin, which is fine because Patrick Star has oily skin, so I get that. But this product, you guys, is the first product from them that I'm like, oh, I cannot be without this. Like, I need this 24/7, 365, like no matter what. So yeah, I have been loving it. I do need to pick it up in the fair shade because again, this shade is a little too dark for me. But other than that, I am loving her. Did somebody say Makeup Forever dupe? Yeah, this is from Make Beauty. This is their brand new, hold on. This is their, what is this called? Continuum Lip Liner. So this, you guys, in case you can't tell, I am a cool tone girl. And this, by the cap, you can tell, is a cool tony lip liner. So this is what the shade looks like. A dupe for the Makeup Forever Endless Cacao. This is a little bit more like darker. Endless Cacao is a little bit lighter, but you guys, this is amazing. And it is just so easy to glide on. It lasts such a long time. It's super hydrating on the lids. Like, there's no tugging. Forever one is still hands down my favorite lip liner of life, but this is definitely a close second. Not as long lasting as the Makeup Forever one, but like I said, it is a close second to the Makeup Forever one. Wanted an option that wasn't the Makeup Forever that was still really nice and hydrating and long wearing. Check out the Make lip liners. They are amazing and they come in so many fun colors. So this is my personal favorite because I am a cool tony girly. I'm really not a warm tone girl. I absolutely love cool tone, so this one is my favorite. But again, if this shade isn't up your alley, they have so many other shades. This formula is incredible. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't really transfer. Like this will last. I wore this to dinner last night and I came home and I still had some on. So it is long wearing, not as long wearing as the Makeup Forever, but nonetheless still amazing and absolutely love it. And as you guys can see, I've definitely been using it this month. It is incredible. I am the queen of sensitive eyes. My eyes are so sensitive. They're always red, they're always dry, they're always irritated, and especially since I got my LASIK in my left eye. This morning, like for example, I woke up and my eye literally felt like there was sandpaper in it. So my eyes are really, really sensitive, and I have been using the same lash glue for years. Watching my videos and you know that I ride for the Duo Active Lash Glue in black, but you guys, this one, I'm gonna be so honest with you, sometimes it really burns my eyes. And like, I just was like, all right, you know, I gotta deal with it. But I went out to dinner a few weeks ago, and by the time I got home, my eyes were so red. I was like, ChatGPT, what is going on? What's happening? So it said that this lash glue uses, I forget what it is. Since this is the active version, it has a different type of glue in it that's gonna keep your lashes on longer. And I think I was having a reaction to the glue because every time I wore that, my eyes would be on fire. So it recommended, ChatGPT recommended the Duo one, the clear one, because it's not as harsh, a little bit more of a nourishing one, and it's not gonna be as drying or as irritating. You guys, I love this. It's what I'm using today to put my lashes on, and let me tell you, my eyes are not burning. 99% of the time when I would put that lash glue on, my eyes would be burning, like right under my lashes, they'd be burning, and I was just like, yeah, it's time for a change. And I really didn't trust that the clear one would be just as good, but let me tell you, it is. It doesn't burn, and my lashes stay on all day. I love this, and again, it is clear, so if I'm not wearing liner, I don't have to worry about like the black lash glue like transferring to my lid. If you're looking for a good, affordable lash glue that doesn't really irritate your eyes, if you have sensitive eyes like me, then I think you are absolutely going to love this. Like I said, the Duo Active one is so good. I do really like it, but I'm just really sensitive, so I can't really use it anymore. And this one, you guys, I've been using it for the last 2 weeks, and I think it is amazing. I keep stumbling over my words because I've literally been filming for like hours at this point, but the last product I want to talk to you guys about is the Maybelline, what is this called? The Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Rose, so it is a color correcting concealer. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you guys, I have been loving this. It is amazing to mix in with your concealer. If you have dark under eyes like myself, this, you guys, is an absolutely amazing product. It's super lightweight. It does a great job at really brightening up your under eyes and making them like come forward. I'm mixing it with like 2 or 3 different concealers, and I haven't had any issues with it. I really, really like it, and as you guys can see, I have used a pretty decent amount of this. I started using it this month because I got a whole PR box from Maybelline of, oh my god, because I got a whole PR box from Maybelline of their Age Rewind concealers, and this was in there. I wanted to try it for years, so I saw it and was like, oh my god, I need to try this, and yes, I have been loving it. You need to try some of the other concealer shades that they sent me because I really want to see how this concealer works. Yeah, absolutely love it. If you were looking for an affordable under eye corrector like that, it has like a pinky hue to it, this, you guys, I have been loving. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. These products, you guys, have been my ride or die products this month, especially the Saltair perfume oils. I absolutely love these. Like I said, I use them morning, night. I use them pretty much every single day, like to go to the gym, to go to bed, to go to work, to go out. Like I'm always using them, and there's always, whichever one I'm wearing, I always have it in my purse with me. Yeah, I literally love those. I think they are amazing. So let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products and what you guys think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.